This video tutorial I will explain ints method of random class. Here I have defined a class random demo 1. Here I have created random object. Then I am calling ints method of random object and passing random number origin as 1, which is inclusive, and passing random number bound as 5, which is exclusive. This method returns stream of pseudo-random int values that I am printing here. Here you can see the output. Here I have defined the class random demo 2. Here I have created random object. Then I am calling ints method of random object and passing stream size as 6 and random number origin as 1, which is inclusive, and random number bound as 5, which is exclusive. This method returns stream of pseudo-random int values that I am printing here. Here you can see the output. Stream size is 6. So 6 random numbers are displaying here. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.